Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023 for Metro by T-Mobile. So Metro now has the Moto G Stylus 5G. This is the 2023 version, and it is now available in a cosmic black color option, 128 gigabytes of storage, and it is currently out of stock as I'm recording this video here. So yeah, you guys might be able to get to a Metro store and get it there, but online it is currently out of stock right now, so that sucks ass. So this is the Moto G Stylus 5G 2023. Very nice looking phone. You guys can see right there, front and back of the phone, whole portrait front facing camera there, dual cameras up there in the back, camera flash and motor with a logo there in the back, stylus pen of course. So yeah, left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. It's kind of hard to see there on screen. Here's a look at the back of the phone. Dual camera setup, camera flash, and your motor with a logo there. Right side power button, button keys. Alright. So if you're a new customer, it is a So if you're a new customer, the full retail price of the phone is $309.99. Holy fuck. That's kind of on par with the unlock version of this phone is $300. So that's kind of interesting. So if you're a new customer, it's $19.99. Yeah, if you just get a new number. So that is pretty cool. If you bring your friend over to Metro, y'all guys can get it for free, which is definitely worth the steal. Saving $309 on that, so definitely worth porting your number over to Metro and getting this phone for free. Okay, you're saving $309, which is yeah, you know, it is what it is. The price, the specs and stuff reflect it, so you can't really get too mad about the price. Not really, but hey, it is what it is. That's for new customers though. If you're a current customer on Metro, okay, I can't show you guys that. You gotta log in for that. So if you're a current customer, I don't know what to tell you. So yeah. Features, so it has a dual camera, separate down the back, 50 megapixel main camera with 5 pixel tech, 8 megapixel ultra wide plus macro vision plus depth camera, which is interesting. It has like 3 camera modes, third and 1 lens, which is interesting enough. 29 hours of talk time, 22.7 days of standby time. It also has a 16 megapixel front facing camera, 6.6 inch display, 2400 by 1080 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate, which is very nice to see. Other features include, of course, a built-in stylus. Also, it's fast performance 5G speed, of course, 6.6 inch, 120 Hz display, unbelievable battery life. Sorry about that notification on my laptop here. 128 gigabytes built-in storage, micro SD card slot, which is very nice to have. Dolby Atmos and stereo speakers. Create at the speed of your imagination with the new Moto G Stylus 5G, featuring a built-in stylus. Connect at lightning fast speeds with 5G and a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor. Experience immersive entertainment on a 6.6 inch 120 Hz display, backed by a multi-dimensional Dolby Atmos sound. Capture your sharpest, brightest photos with the 50 megapixel camera system. Hold your everyday inspirations with 128 gigabytes of storage and still have room for apps, photos, songs, and movies. All this powered by an unbelievable battery life with 5,000 mAh battery. Unleash your creativity with Moto G Stylus 5G. Alright. Specs has 5,000 mAh battery, Type-C charging port, Wi-Fi connections 8 to 11 ABGN, AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, NFC. So you'll be able to use Google Pay with us. Has a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor, Android 13, 60 gigabytes of RAM, 2 terabytes of micro SD card expansion, has 4G LTE and 5G of course, supported email platforms, internet compatibility as well as emergency alerts, mobile hotspot frequencies, the Moto Stylus 5G, weighs 7.12 ounces, dimensions, the depth of the phone is 0.36 inches, height 6.41 inches, width 2.9 inches. Alright. What comes in the box is your Moto Stylus 5G prepaid smartphone, Type-C charging cable, SIM ejection tool, and your gas and stuff like that. So standard stuff in the box there. You will have to provide your own charger. I don't know if it's Type-C to Type-C or Type-A to Type-C. It's one of those two. So check around before you guys get the phone, so you guys get the right charging adapter. Alright. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto Stylus 5G is now here at Metro, currently out of stock right now as I'm recording this video here, which sucks ass. So if you guys are looking to get a phone with the Stylus pen on the cheap, the Moto Stylus 5G is the phone for you because it has that built into it. It has great feature specs and whatnot, definitely worth checking out. So yeah, I can't believe that the Metro version is $309. That is interesting. The Boost Mode version is $270. The Cricket version is like $250. Straight Talk has the 4G version which is $130. So that's interesting there too. So I don't know why it's $300. I don't know why. That's kind of interesting. But I think that they unlocked Moto Stylus 5G is $300, close to that. So yeah, a pretty penny for this phone. So if you guys want to save $300, bring your number over to Metro and do it that way. So yeah, but if you just get a new number, if you're a new customer and you guys just get a new number, it is $20, so that's pretty cool there. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.